Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today we are loading our disc wood chipper to Africa. Behind me, you can see this is the complete unit of this disc wood chipper. This chipper fits with an 4 meters fitting conveyor, and 10 meters output conveyor, and also 2.5 meters discharge conveyor. And over here, this is the input part of this disc wood chipper. And you can put wood logs or bamboo logs less than 20 centimeters to put into this machine. And this disc wood chipper with a large disc plate, which with 1.3 meters in diameter. And in this plate, we fit with 6 pieces of cutting blade. So this chipper can cut the wood logs or bamboo logs into small chips. Size will be 2 to 3 centimeters. Very even size. So the output of the wood chips or bamboo chips will be used in a paper industry and for pellet making, any kind of biomass material project. And this machine capacity is 5 tons per hour. With a 55 kilowatt electric motor. Okay, everyone, that's all for introduction about our disc wood chipper. If you have any interest, please send your inquiry to Longzhe team. Okay, thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.